Respect is one of life's greatest treasures. How do we feel when we find ourselves not feeling respected by other people? What is respect and why is respect important? Good morning to everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary, student of class 8, standing before you to speak on the topic respect. Respect is the most important element of our personality. It is an essential part of life for both other people and for ourselves. It is like an investment. Whatever we give to others, it will return us with profits. Someone said, respect comes in the unchangeable steps, giving it and receiving it. And this is how we can start to get respect. Dear friends, receiving respect from others is important because it helps us to feel safe and to express ourselves. It builds feelings of trust, safety and well-being in our relationships. It gives patience to listen each other. Actually, respect means that we accept somebody for who they are, even when they are different from us or we don't agree with them. My dear friends, being respectful toward others is important, but it's also important to have respect for ourselves. We should remember that we are valued and what we think and feel are just as important as what somebody else thinks and feels. And remember that respecting others starts with respecting yourself. Respect is earned. We can't force someone to respect us. Someone beautifully said that treat people the way you want to be treated. Talk to people the way you want to be talked to. Respect is earned, not given. And here I would like to end my speech. Thank you to all of you for giving your precious time. Thank you. Have a nice day.